If you've opened Task Manager and noticed Steam Client WebHelper using a large amount of CPU, causing your computer to slow down, your fans to spin loudly, or your laptop battery to drain faster than usual, you're not alone. Steam WebHelper is a component that handles many parts of the Steam interface, including the store, library, friends list, chat, and other web-based features. When it starts consuming excessive CPU resources, Steam can become sluggish and your overall system performance may suffer. Fortunately, there are several effective ways to reduce Steam WebHelper CPU usage and get Steam running smoothly again. In this video, I'll guide you through the most effective fixes step by step. The first thing you should do is restart Steam completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager and look for Steam, Steam Client WebHelper, and any other Steam-related processes. Select each one and click End Task. Once everything has been closed, launch Steam again. Temporary glitches within Steam can sometimes cause WebHelper to enter a loop and consume more CPU than necessary, and a simple restart can often resolve the issue. If the problem persists, disable unnecessary Steam startup windows. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Go to the Interface section. Disable options such as Start Steam in Big Picture mode if enabled, and review other startup-related settings. Reducing the number of windows and components Steam loads at startup can help lower WebHelper activity. Another effective solution is to disable hardware acceleration. In Steam, open Settings and navigate to the Interface section. Look for the option that enables GPU-accelerated rendering in web views. Turn this setting off and restart Steam. While hardware acceleration is designed to improve performance, it can sometimes cause higher CPU usage due to compatibility issues with specific graphics drivers or system configurations. You should also clear Steam's web browser cache. Open Steam Settings and go to the In-Game section. Locate the Delete Web Browser Data option and use it to clear stored web files. Over time, cached web content can become corrupted and cause WebHelper to work harder than necessary. After clearing the cache, restart Steam and monitor CPU usage again. The Friends and Chat system can also contribute to excessive WebHelper usage. Open your friends list and check whether there are any unusual loading loops, broken profile pages, or chat windows that appear stuck. Sign out and sign back into Steam if necessary. Sometimes refreshing your Steam session resolves hidden issues affecting WebHelper processes. Outdated Steam files can also be responsible. Make sure Steam is fully updated by clicking Steam in the top left corner and selecting Check for Steam Client Updates. Install any available updates and restart the client. Steam regularly releases performance improvements and bug fixes that may address high CPU usage problems. Graphics driver issues can affect Steam WebHelper as well. Update your graphics drivers using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software depending on your hardware. After updating, restart your computer. Since Steam's interface relies heavily on web technologies and graphical rendering, outdated drivers can sometimes cause inefficient CPU utilization. Background applications may interfere with Steam as well. Programs such as RGB control software, game overlays, screen recorders, hardware monitoring utilities, and third-party performance tools can conflict with Steam's interface. Close unnecessary applications from Task Manager and observe whether CPU usage decreases. If it does, reopen programs one at a time to identify the culprit. You should also clear Steam's app cache. Close Steam completely and navigate to the Steam installation folder, usually located in C Program Files x86 Steam. Find the App Cache folder and delete it. Steam will automatically rebuild this folder the next time it launches. Corrupted cache files often contribute to abnormal WebHelper behavior. If CPU usage remains high, try opting out of the Steam beta client. Open Steam Settings, go to the Interface section, and check whether you're enrolled in a beta version. If so, switch back to the stable release and restart Steam. Beta versions occasionally contain bugs that can increase CPU consumption. As a final solution, reinstall Steam without deleting your games. Open the Steam installation folder and keep the Steam Apps folder and steam.exe file. Delete everything else, then run steam.exe. Steam will download fresh program files while preserving your installed games. This can resolve deep corruption issues affecting Steam WebHelper. To summarize, if Steam Client WebHelper is using too much CPU, start by restarting Steam and ending all Steam processes. Then disable unnecessary startup components, turn off hardware acceleration, clear browser data, check friends and chat functionality, update Steam and graphics drivers, close conflicting background programs, delete the app cache folder, leave the beta client if necessary, and finally reinstall Steam while keeping your games. These steps solve most cases of high CPU usage and help Steam run much more efficiently. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Steam WebHelper high CPU usage. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Steam troubleshooting guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.